Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a video background to any Shopify theme. Now this is very easy and quick. All you have to do guys is to drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. Now let's get started right now. First thing to do guys, you want to log into your Shopify dashboard, and then after that you want to click on here. Okay, you want to click on online store. Alright, now after guys, after you click on online store, you want to click on these three little dots next to customize. Okay, click on three little dots and then click on edit code. Now don't worry, this is not some complicated thing to do. You just need to scroll down. Okay, scroll down at the very bottom and you want to click on here. You want to click on sections. Okay, this file, you want to click on this file. Now after that you want to click on add the new section. Okay, now the new section, you want to name the file video section. Okay, video section. Make sure like there is no space between video and section. After that you want to click on done. Okay, now after that you want to just select all this code that you see right now, and you want to go to the description of this video and you will find the code there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy it right now. I'm going to copy the code. Alright, Ctrl V. Alright, now after you copy the code guys, you want to replace this code with this one. Okay, with the code that you are going to see in the description, and after that you want to click on save. Okay, that's it. Now you want to go back. Okay, of course you can always come back and remove the code if you want. Now after that you want to click on here. You want to click now on online store. Okay, and then you want to click on customize. Now after guys you click on customize, here as you can see in the header, you want to click here where it says add section, and here you will see this now video background. But before adding the code, you will not be able to see it. So after you add the code, you will see this video background. Now click on it. All right, now what you guys need to do, you want to click on you just need to leave this as it is. Okay, just click on save. Now we're gonna open a new tab and open Shopify. Now we need to upload the video, so I didn't upload the video, that's why. So what you need to do guys, now you want to click here on content. Okay, then I'm going to click on files. Now I'm going to upload a video here. I'm going to click on upload files. Now I'm going to upload a random video. Okay, for example this one. You just upload it as like it's going to be a background for your Shopify store. Now just wait for it. I'm going to wait for it a few seconds. It seems like it's taking forever. I don't know why. So yeah, just give it a few seconds. As you can see, file is processing. File is uploaded finally. Okay, so what you guys need to do now, you have uploaded the file. Now what you guys need to do, you want to copy the link of the file. Okay, here. Now after you copy the link of the file, now what you guys need to do here, you want to click on video slides, and you just need to paste here the link of the video. Now this is the video. Okay, now make sure you scroll down, and yeah, that's it. Now for video slide, okay, you want to click on save. Okay, so after guys you click on save, go back. I'm going to try to click on video background or video slides. Now that's it guys. Okay, so you can also make some changes if you want here, like the color, the bottom label. You can also change the text. You can make some changes, okay, as you want. After you are finished, you want to click on save. Now I'm going to try to see if it works on mobile. As you can see, this is the video on mobile and this is the video on desktop. Now I have successfully added a video to I'm going to click on Shopify. As you can see, this is the video. As you can see, okay, this is actually a video. This is just a random video, just a password page. I recorded the password page. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this one guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.